How to fix Wi-Fi connected to device but can't provide internet. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your settings. Now go to Wi-Fi. Now tap on the info icon. Now scroll down to the bottom. Now go to IP settings and select static. Now go to DNS1 and change to 8.8.8.8. Now go to DNS2, type 8.8.4.4. Now go back, turn off your Wi-Fi, again turn on. See if this fixes issue. If it doesn't, enable the airplane mode. Now disable it and restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.